Hey ladies and gentlemen, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Dale's Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And I've got a really nice, inexpensive car we're getting ready to put on a lot. If you're looking for something cheap that's going to get you around 4x4 with winter coming, you might want to take a look at this. This is a 2011 Jeep Compass. And I'm going to do a quick walk around. We'll go on the inside, show you what it looks like. Does have the deep tinted windows, does have the hatchback on the back. You got a rear wiper back here. Let's take a look inside. Okay, there we go. We've got the hatch open. You can see there's actually a lot of space back here, plus your seats, rear seats, will fold down. There's what it looks like on the inside. Now, another thing I wanted to point out, it is what is called a North Edition. That's your trim model that is on this. So we'll continue to do our walk around on the driver's side, and we're getting some sun on this just before the sun goes down. Now there are a couple little places got some bubbles on it. You got a little place right there, and there was another place I wanted to point out right up here on the front, on the very front edge of your hood, and a little bit right in here and right there, but overall not bad. Let's go take a look on the inside. Okay, the interior actually is in very nice condition. It's black cloth. Do a little pan around up here, and your door panels are black. One thing I do want to note, I hope you can see this little emblem right there. It means you do have heated mirrors on this. Okay, we'll take a peek of the cabin up front. Show you your controls on your door. There's what it looks like. So let's go ahead and hop inside. Okay, we're on the inside now. Show you the steering wheel, your instrument cluster. You can see hopefully you can see the mileage on this is 113,768 miles. You do have some controls on your left for up here on your gauges, and your cruise control settings on the right hand side of your wheel. Go over here and look. With this, you've got your audio, AM, FM, disc, all right up here. It does have CD player, and your heating and cooling controls. Now, nice thing with this, come wintertime, you do have heated seats on both sides. You got a 12-volt power connector right there. Now, one thing, this is a manual transmission, so it's a 5-speed, so it is a stick shift. You got cup holders here. Let's go ahead and take a look in back. Okay, here's your back seats. You do have 2 cup holders down there. So there we go, guys. That concludes our tour of our 2011 Jeep Compass, standard transmission. And with this, like I said, you're going to get a very low-cost car. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call up here, 740-992-4443 with any questions. If you'd like to come up for a test drive, we can arrange that for you, and we got financing right here at the dealership available. So talk to you later. Have a great day.